Meet John. The roof on John's house is showing signs of disrepair. He knows it needs professional attention because, after all, his home is a major investment and it's literally the roof over his family's head. John knows he can't trust his roof to just anybody, so he's decided to call the most experienced roofing contractor he can find. He knows we have a great reputation and that he'll get quality service and reliable, long-lasting, guaranteed repairs. So if your roof is in need of some minor repairs, preventative maintenance, or even a major overhaul, get complete peace of mind about the roof on your house. Give us a call today.